Hello, welcome to day 29 of 30 days React challenge. So let's start. By the way, I'm currently working on a project. I'm creating a project in Rails plus React. There is not much content on the internet. It is actually really hard at the start. After that, it can become easy. So yeah, let's see when those video series gets released. So we have to do temperature controller. Okay. Welcome to the Celsius to Fahrenheit. They have used wheat in this. Why? Okay, practice, convert this. Okay, objective, convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit to Celsius. Okay, instruction setup. The lab provides complete environment for you and no extra setup is required on your end. Start coding directly. Okay. Implement two input fields, a Celsius input with ID this, Fahrenheit input with ID this, and default values for Celsius should be 0. Okay, they haven't mentioned default value of Fahrenheit, so maybe we can calculate it when the app is as soon as the app gets loaded, or we can do a default value also. We'll see. The most critical aspect of this lab is to keep the Celsius and Fahrenheit input synchronized. Okay, this word synchronized automatically means that we will have to use the updater function of set of use state. When a user enters the value in one input, the other should automatically adjust to reflect the converted temperature. Okay, conversion formula. Okay, for day 29 it is really bad. We have done this multiple times. Let's quickly do this. But if you are not clear with the updater function concept, it will be useful for you. One thing that I will do is, instead of using Celsius and Fahrenheit, I'll use something very small, set C and set C. F for Fahrenheit and C for Celsius, so that I don't have to type it again and again. And what should I do? I have to take inputs, right? And I'll create one input first because I think it will be copy paste. ID, that will be Celsius. Type, number, and we will use value also in this because the value is, user is typing value in 1 and the value of second is getting updated, right? So that means this value is not controlled by user by typing. So therefore we will have to use this F value here so that it remains in sync. And on change, handle, both the formula will be different, so even that can be different. Handle C change, which means handle Celsius change. You can write a correct code here. I'm just doing it in a short basically. Same for, okay, that's bad. Let's use Fahrenheit. Where is this? Set F change. Okay, this value should be F, that is correct. This value should be C actually. Now let's implement these two functions. So let's do the first. Okay, have I made any mistake? Let me, C and F. Okay, we don't have these functions, that's fine. Okay, const handle C change. Let's take E event because we will have to fetch value from that. Let's do it like this. Set C, because we have to update Celsius in this first by taking the value and all. But what we'll do is we'll use the updater function. Previous, we don't need this, so I will just write previous, and in that we'll use the function. So if I return E dot target dot value, that means we are setting the new Celsius value to this set C. Okay, but what we will do is we'll cut this, const new value is equals to this, and we'll return this new value. But in between that, we'll update our set F also. So for that I will have to use const F value is equals to, what's the formula? Celsius into 9 by 5 divided by 32. Okay, so new value into 9 divided by 5 plus 32. So if it is 32 and the value is 0, that means the default value will be 32. We could have calculated it using use effect or something like that, but I don't want to introduce anything extra. And let's set this. Hope this works because I'm a bit worried. We'll see. I think it should work. Okay, so basically within this updater function we are updating the f Fahrenheit use state also. Let's copy this entire thing, change it to f new value e dot target dot value previous, set c value c, and in this I will have to change the formula, which is Fahrenheit minus this. Okay, Fahrenheit minus 32 multiply by 5 divided by 9. Let's see. Okay, 37 is our body temperature, so, and in Fahrenheit it is around 98. So let's use, okay, so I'm assuming it is working. Minus 273 is Kelvin, right? Minus 273, but in negatives. Okay, this I'm not fully sure actually. Kelvin starts from 0 and this is different. Got it. We are not focusing on Kelvin in this, so yeah. Let's try to run the test case and see. I think it will pass, but this is not up to the level of 29th day. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Do subscribe. More videos of React and Rails are coming soon. So yeah, you'll enjoy those projects. Thank you. Bye bye.